facility account. In the Committee of States in Nigeria, Ondo State has been known to be good, to be highly skilled, to be highly good in terms of healthcare delivery. People from other states have been coming to Ondo State to come and look at what we showcase, to come and look at healthcare services, our health facilities, and many of them have borrowed from this, and they go back to their states and use it to develop their states.
I want to thank God that we should all Ondo State has impact in the 3 states of the federation that first carry out this program, that is Ondo State, Nasarawa, and Adamawa State. I thank God the NSHIP, they've tried, they've changed. Personally, concerning this, my own facility, they've changed this place to Jerusalem, because for years patients don't normally patronize, but by the time the NSHIP came in with this little change they were giving to us to develop this facility, it's just 15 to 85% patient patronage. It's just like 15% to 85%. I need to thank them. I appreciate them. God will continue to bless them. It seems as if this program should continue.
Since the program has started in this facility, we enjoy their program. We enjoy NSHIP. We are in a Shoki place before, but now we are in a big place with many equipment, instruments, many hospital equipment. We are having many things through NSHIP.
NSHIP is a very wonderful program that we love so much. In fact, the time they were not available in 2019, it was stress. It was burden on the facility and it tells on us. We so much appreciate the fund that has been coming to us from time to time, because it's like a petrol in our engine that makes the facility run well. So we so much appreciate their efforts, their contribution to sustain healthcare. Then we are able to go out and practice the main activity of public health, community health, taking healthcare to the doorstep of clients. Because with the fund, we are able to go to clients, to get to their house, to see how they are faring. If we discharge them, they don't come for follow-up, we go to see them. So this has helped us so much. Hadn't been there is no fund, we wouldn't have been able to achieve that. Then during outreaches too, we do that immunization outreach. We do that last Wednesday of the month, so that anytime any client we are able to track during the month that refuse to come for their immunization, we go out. We would have used town crier on Tuesday prowl to tell them about the outreach service and where it's going to stay. And we don't even limit ourselves to the point we are staying. We go extra mile to go to their houses, because some clients, they are very difficult, they will not come. So we still go to their home to immunize them there. So it is the fund they are giving us that has empowered us to do this. Ondo State government is a very wonderful government that I love to work with, because when I was outside Ondo State for a course, I relate with other people from other facilities. They envy Ondo State so much, because Ondo State have value for health. They don't take health system with levity at all. So they put us in high esteem, especially the health workers. So they are Ondo State is so wonderful. We like the government, and we continue to pray for them, because with them there, we are able to do our work, and we are comfortable doing the work. We encourage them.
Gẹ́gẹ́ bí ẹnìkan báyìí tí mo wà níbí, mo wà nínú àwọn tí wọ́n yàn nígbà tí wọ́n máa fún wa ní owó sí ilé ìwòsàn yìí láti lè máa maintain ẹ̀. Kò sí oògùn, kò sí nǹkan kan tayọ owó tí àwọn tán mú wá gbà tán fún wa. Bàtán dẹ̀ fún wa, mo wà lórí ìjókòó, èmi mo sign check mo bàtán sign check àwọn fúnra wọn ló ta mọ́tò mi mo fi kó débí. Wọ́n dẹ̀ ṣàlàyé fún wa gbà pé oògùn yìí o kì í ṣe pé kí àwa ìlú àti dókítà ká lẹ̀ dí àpòpọ̀ ká máa pín láàrin ara wa, pé oògùn yìí ká máa tà, ká lọ open bank ká máa fi síbẹ̀, tó bá tán ká dẹ̀ máa ra oògùn ká tún kó síbẹ̀, ká tún fi àwọn tí a bá lọ́dẹ àbí ìran olùrànlọ́wọ́ ká máa fi inú owó díẹ̀díẹ̀ ká máa fi tọ́jú bẹ̀ kó má di pé ó parun. Ó dẹ̀ dúpẹ́ látọ̀dọ̀ Ọlọ́run lágbà tí wọ́n ti fi owó ìsílẹ̀ ọ̀gá àgbà wa tó wà ń bí ó maintain owó títí di ọjọ́ òní. Enship mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ ní èmi ọlọ́jà ìlú Onípàrágà pé mo dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn títí di àsìkò yìí là ń rí oògùn gbà tí àwọn aláìsàn tán bá lọ bẹ̀ wọn á rí oògùn tẹ́lẹ̀ rí kó tó di pé kí ní ìṣẹ̀lẹ̀ kò sóògùn kankan ṣùgbọ́n bàtán ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ iṣẹ́ dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ wọn.
Dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run nípa ti ilé ìwòsàn yìí inú wa dùn sí rí pé àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ló ń ṣiṣẹ́ ń bì yìí náà wọ́n ṣe dáadáa àdẹ̀rí pé wọ́n gbìyànjú pé bí n lọ síwájú tẹ́lẹ̀ ibi yìí ò ṣe báyìí ò dá báyìí.
Pẹ́ lọ́wọ́ Ọlọ́run àti lọ́wọ́ ìjọba Ondo State tí wọ́n bá tún bí ìṣe. Bàbá dúpẹ́ lọ́wọ́ àwọn òṣìṣẹ́ ń bí àwọn nọ́ọ̀sì tó wẹ́ẹ̀dì bí wọ́n fi tọkàntọkàn wọ́n fi bá wa ṣiṣẹ́ yìí. Ibi ìṣe wò ó sì tẹ́lẹ̀tẹ́lẹ̀ kó tó di pé wọ́n máa tún bí ìṣe ibi òṣè wọ́n yan wá wọn dún òkè màpó but now bí Ọlọ́run ti ṣe àwọn yan wá ti bẹ̀rẹ̀ sí darí wá bí.
We are appreciating the present governor Arákùnrin Rotimi Akeredolu for the good gesture. May God bless him.
I thank Arákùnrin Akeredolu because he tried for us, and we pray for him. We pray for him that may God give him power to do more.
Towards making residents get up to speed with the various interventions of Enship in the health sector and understand the benefits embedded therein for them, handlers of the intervention project have put together several public enlightenment packages such as Enship Half Hour, press releases, policy digests, as well as documentaries, among others.
Good evening and welcome to another beautiful edition of your program, Enship Half Hour.
With Henship's success at setting the pace for best practices in the health sector and the need to sustain the gains of the project, steps are already in place by the endorsed government, and indeed many other states are also taking a cue to ensure a continuation of the gains.
Well, one of the plans, the major one, is that we are looking at it that we must, whatever it will cost us, we must have budgetary provision, large one, chunk of our budget for us, because without that we are not getting anywhere. But again, it is going to be something that will not cost that much if our people are ready to really participate as we expect in our insurance scheme. Now this one is that we have a contributory health insurance scheme, so we can spread it over every other person. We are going to make it compulsory, for instance, for all civil servants. They pay a percentage and the government will pay a percentage. So with that, whatever problem that probably would have arisen because Henship is coming to an end, or when it comes to an end, we can support with our contributory health scheme. Because what we have done, in particularly for our mothers and children below 5, is that the government pays for the insurance. So with that, they are there, and usually they will be attended to freely. So those are the things we can do. Budgetary allocation, make sure it is increased, and make sure that our contributory health scheme is run properly. These are the things we want to do.